to the nation of Israel. Some are wondering, where is the Garden of Eden? They talk about a river that flows out of Eden into four headwaters. Some Bible versions, they will say four rivers. But yeah, headwaters is what is important, and I'll explain briefly what that means. That river is Umngeni. Umngeni River, found again in KwaZulu-Natal. Umngeni meaning river of entrance. Entrance to what? Entrance to the promised land. Okay, so let's look at Genesis 2, verse 10 to 14. A river flowing from Eden, splitting into four headwaters. Some Bible versions, they will say splitting into four rivers instead of headwaters. It's very important because that translation loses its original meaning. Headwaters means that that river has got a wider coverage of that water that turns into a head, and you'll see shortly how that happens with Umngeni River. So they've mentioned Fishon, Gihon, Hiddekel, and Euphrates, according to the Bible. And what we have in KwaZulu-Natal today, if you follow the Umngeni River, again, that means the river of entrance. Entrance into what? According to the Bible, entrance into the promised land. So there's Midmar Dam. Again, it's a head water, meaning it's a location where the river has occupied a wider space, just like a human being, right? We've got a head, which is a body part that is bigger, that usually stands out. If you go down the river, there's Albert Falls Dam, there is Nagle Dam, there is Inanda Dam, and then around Inanda there is a valley of 1,000 hills, which translate to increase, like Rwanda, and Kamani Nande, go and multiply. Anyways, Asko up.